This video demonstrates how to install the Siren Marine bilge pump sensor and activate it in the app. The Siren 3 Pro must be configured with the Siren Marine app prior to adding sensors. Installation and setup of the Siren 3 Pro is demonstrated in a separate video. To begin, unbox the sensor and remove the module. The package also includes a secondary QR code, support documents, a decal, the sensor tail, internal battery, and mounting screws. The sensor tail must be connected to the module prior to being connected to the pump and prior to installing the internal battery. To begin, plug the sensor tail into the module. Then use the supplied hex wrench and fasteners to secure the sensor tail to the module. Next, peel the Quick Start guide from the back of the module and remove the mounting bracket to reveal the QR code. Now open the Siren Marine app and go to Settings, Add Wireless Sensor. This will launch the QR code scanner. Now scan the QR code on the sensor and confirm the successful scan. You're required to input a name for the sensor. Then select the sensor type, bilge pump, and choose Add. Confirm the successful addition. With the sensor successfully paired, it's time to install the battery. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, loosen the 4 Phillips head fasteners on the back of the module and remove the cover plate. Take the coin cell battery with the positive side facing out and insert it into the cradle. A light on the circuit board will flash 4 times, indicating power. It's recommended to replace the internal battery in each wireless sensor once a year as part of the annual maintenance. Replace the cover plate and secure the fasteners. Now it's time to mount the sensor. The tail can be spliced either into an auto bilge helm switch or, like in this scenario, directly at the bilge pump. Determine the mounting location within reach of the bilge pump wires. Note, before beginning this procedure, ensure that the bilge pump is not connected to power. Now cut the bilge pump wires and strip them back. Now splice the wires coming from the sensor tail into the bilge pump wires, red to positive and black to negative. The sensor can be mounted using either the 3M tape or mounting screws. In this scenario, we have a flat, smooth, clean surface, so we'll be using the 3M tape. Peel the wax paper off the 3M tape and firmly apply the module in place. Now when the bilge pump receives power, the Siren Marine app will indicate bilge pump activity. If you have any questions, please refer to the applicable Siren Marine manual. Thanks for watching.